At Dr. Don's Buttons, we produce a variety of high-quality political campaign items that can help you win. The most popular campaign item we offer are campaign buttons, and we can produce them in many different sizes. The most popular size we offer is the 2¼ inch. If you need campaign buttons produced in a hurry, that's not a problem for us. Orders of up to 1,000 campaign buttons will be produced and shipped the very next business day, or they're free. And that's not a super expensive rush service like the other companies offer. That's our standard service, and you don't pay extra for it. Unlike the other companies, we don't charge for additional colors. Your buttons can have as many colors as you wish, and they are included in the price. Need artwork for your campaign buttons? Choose one of our political button templates, and we can set it up quickly to include your information. That's included in the price. If you don't see a template you like, give us a call, let us know what you're looking for, and we'll do our best to create a design for you. 1/2 hour of design time is included in the price. If you already have your artwork that you'd like us to use, no problem. We'll be happy to use it. If you'd like to use one of our political button templates, here's how you do it. Start by clicking the template you prefer and fill out the order form located next to that template. After you click the Submit button, a proof of the button you requested will be created by our artist, and when it's ready for you to view, we will send you an email link that will allow you to see it. If you like what you see, give us a call and let us know the order is approved. We will then begin production and ship it the next business day using the shipping method you selected. If you notice a typographical error or don't like something about the design that we created, let us know and we'll correct it right away. If you like, we can use the same design for lapel stickers, which we offer at a discounted price when you order them at the same time as your buttons. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and one of our friendly customer service agents will be happy to assist you and answer all your questions.